What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another Wealth Hack Wednesday. And today Wealth Hack is going to start with a quick story. So whenever I first launched my blog, goodfinancialsense.com, I launched it. It's trucking along, it's making some money, and I'm getting really excited. And like a typical entrepreneur, when you got something good, you want more of it. But sometimes it's not as sexy, it's not as appetizing to put more time, more effort into the same thing, especially when you start running through all the ideas, all the different options, because you're like, okay, if this is working, why wouldn't I do another thing? Why wouldn't I create another site so it can make more money, just as much money as the first one that I launched? So that's what I did. Good Financial Sense is doing well, doing awesome. So I thought, you know what, why not create another site? So I launched a baby boomer retirement blog called consumerboomer.com. And if you try to find that domain, you'll quickly see that it doesn't exist anymore, and here's why. It's so easy to get sucked into the shiny object syndrome. We see something new, something exciting, something shiny, and all of a sudden we're just like, oh, I gotta do that, I gotta do that. Squirrel! And even though the main thing that we're working on, the thing that's actually making us money, we want to go and try something new, do something different, because it just sounds so much more amazing. But what happens is that you lose focus. You get distracted, and your time, your productivity is cut in half, if not more, because all the mental resources, all the energy that you have is now being divided between two different things instead of being able to focus on one thing. And that's why I love this quote by Tim Fargo that says, if you doubt the power of focus, try riding two bikes simultaneously. And that's exactly what I was doing. I was trying to ride two bikes at the same time. And what happened was that all the extra time energy that I was focusing on my main site was now going toward this other site. And yes, that other site did make some money, but it wasn't making nearly as much as my first site, my first project, my first baby. And I now recognize, had I just put all that focus into one thing, into my main thing, into my main business, my main site, that revenue would have escalated so much faster, so much quicker. And that's why it's so important to not get distracted. Whenever you find out what that thing is that is making you money, that thing that you absolutely enjoy, that you enjoy spending all your time on, that you just love talking about it, that you can't wait to get back to it and put more work into it. When you discover that thing, put all of your focus, all your energy into that and to continue to grow it. Don't try to ride two bikes. Don't get distracted. That's my wealth hack tip for you today. All right, y'all, hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, this is Jeff Rose reminding you that it's your money, it's your life, and only you can make it awesome. Just don't get distracted. Say what?